back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make amazing Scotch eggs. I love Scotch eggs so much, and I decided to show you guys my very easy recipe. This came out so nice, and it took me less than an hour to make. So as you can see here, guys, I'm just removing the sausage skin. You definitely don't want to use that for this Scotch eggs. I think it's also called casing. You have to remove it like so, and I'm not really going to be doing a lot of talking in this video. I showed the recipe as I used it, or the ingredients rather, and obviously it's going to be in the description box as well. So enjoy. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I am rolling the sausages with my palm. You want to use a flat surface to do this. I would have used a chopping board, but this is what I had at the time, and I sprinkled some flour because you want to really get your hands dirty. You want to flatten the sausages as you see me doing here. You're going to work a lot with your hands. I was actually regretting fixing my nails, but yeah, I had to do what I had to do. And I'm sprinkling the flour so it just gives it more, more structure, more. It's the word stability, no. So just so the meat is not all over the place, you want to do this. I'm sprinkling flour on the meat and pressing and just making it flat. I would have used a rolling pin, but yeah, I just used this. If you have a rolling pin, you should definitely use that. And as you can see here, guys, I'm just rolling my eggs. I have hard-boiled eggs there. That's what I'm rolling around the meat. It's kind of tricky. You want to just make sure that you're molding it in a way that it's all covered. That's the most important thing. And it took me a while. Obviously the video was sped up at some point, but I rolled and rolled and rolled and made sure everything was covered like so. Okay, so guys, another thing you want to do, you don't want to pack too much meat. You only need, you know, a little bit, and then a little bit goes a long way. I feel like as far as the meat covers the egg, you're good to go. I didn't really put specific measurements for the amount I flattened, but as you can see, I just used my discretion. When the meat was too much, I removed some and I put it back in the pile that I already had. So it's not rocket science, guys. Just make sure your egg is covered. I made sure that mine was totally covered, and also make sure that you're rolling it and the meat is, or the sausage is properly flattened. That's what you want. You don't want it to be bulky. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm obviously done with rolling it. Now we're going to start to put some flour on it. You want to make sure you coat it a lot with the flour. This step is just so when you rub the eggs in there, the egg sticks on the roll. And please guys, as you can see, you want to use clean hands. I was constantly washing my hands. You're using your hands a lot, so you want to make sure you're washing your hands. You don't want to give anybody bacteria. And you're going to roll that same roll in the egg. I used 2 eggs. Like I said, it's going to be in the description box below. So you want to roll it, and also you want to roll that same roll in the breadcrumbs. So I used flour, I used eggs, and I used breadcrumbs. What's Scotch egg without breadcrumbs? So I used breadcrumbs. You can use any brand. I showed you guys already the brand that I used. That's pretty much it, guys. I did it for all 10. Something that I forgot to mention, this Scotch egg, I made 10 actually out of the sausage that I bought, and I'm going to put everything in the description box below. But it's the same process, it's the same thing. I'm doing it over and over again. So enjoy that. Oil in a pan as we're about to start the frying process. You want to put it on medium heat, not hot, not too hot. You don't want it to burn, just medium heat, and you want it to cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. If it's getting too brown, that's like a key that it's almost done. But yeah, just put it on medium heat and cook till brown. Yeah, guys, it was, getting brown at this stage, and it was looking ready. Yeah, I'm pretty much not gonna say anything. I'm just going to allow you guys watch and enjoy. And please try this recipe. Comment down below. Let me know how it goes. I love when you guys send responses back to me and comment. Just enjoy this with your friends, with your family. I enjoyed this with my family, and it was really, really amazing. Until next time, guys, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you. Bye.